Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling Samsung phones at an affordable price of 2023. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box, where the links of the products are. Product 1. Product name: Samsung Galaxy A54. The Samsung Galaxy A54, a new smartphone introduced in 2023, is part of Samsung's Galaxy A series, known for offering a balance between features and affordability. This particular model boasts several notable specifications and features. Display: the Samsung Galaxy A54 is equipped with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen featuring a 120Hz refresh rate. This not only ensures vibrant and sharp visuals, but also provides a smoother and more responsive touch experience. Performance: powering the Galaxy A54 is the Exynos 1380 chipset, indicating that the device can deliver robust performance, particularly in tasks such as gaming and multitasking. The 5G connectivity support ensures faster data speeds, making it future-ready in terms of network technology. Camera: one of the standout features of this smartphone is its triple camera setup, with the primary camera boasting an impressive 50MP resolutions, such as ultra-wide shots, macro photography, and depth sensing for portrait mode. Battery: the Samsung Galaxy A54 is equipped with a substantial 5000 mAh battery. This large battery capacity should provide all-day usage on a single charge, making it a reliable choice for users who rely heavily on their smartphones. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A54 for 2023 presents a compelling package for users who seek a mid-range smartphone, with features such as a high refresh rate AMOLED display, powerful Exynos 1380 chipset, impressive camera capabilities, and an ample battery. This phone aims to deliver. Product 2. Product name: Samsung Galaxy A52. The Samsung Galaxy A52, specifically the model A526U1, is a 5G mobile phone that offers a range of features and specifications for users seeking a reliable and capable smartphone. This device boasts a 6.5-inch display, providing a sizable screen for various tasks, from watching videos to browsing the web. With 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it offers a decent amount of memory and storage space to handle multitasking and store apps, photos, and files. One notable feature of the Samsung Galaxy A52 is its quad camera setup, which allows users to capture high-quality photos and videos. This setup likely includes various camera lenses, such as wide, ultra-wide, and macro, enabling a versatile range of photography options. The octa-core processor ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking, making it suitable for various applications and tasks, allowing for contactless payments and easy connectivity with other NFC-enabled devices. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A52 A526U1 appears to be a well-rounded and capable smartphone that should meet the needs of users. Product 3. Product name: Samsung Galaxy A51. The Samsung Galaxy A51 A516U is a smartphone that was originally released as a part of the Samsung Galaxy A series. While the information provided in the paragraph lacks specific details about its features, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is known for being a mid-range smartphone designed to offer a balanced combination of performance and affordability. Key features of the Samsung Galaxy A51 include a 6.5-inch display, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage, which allows for smooth multitasking and ample storage for apps, photos, and videos. This model was equipped with a fingerprint sensor for added security and NFC, near-field communication support, making it compatible with contactless payment systems and other NFC-related functions. The smartphone is powered by an octa-core processor, and it runs on the Android operating system, likely with Samsung's One UI skin, providing a user-friendly and might have been marketed as a 5G-capable device, which means it could take advantage of faster mobile data speeds where 5G networks are available. While the specific technical specifications may vary, the Samsung Galaxy A51 is generally recognized for its sleek design, vibrant display, and capable camera system, making it a popular choice for consumers seeking a well-rounded mid-range smartphone experience. Keep in mind that there may have been newer iterations or models in the Galaxy A series, since my knowledge cutoff date in September 2021. Product 4. Product name: Samsung Galaxy A71. The Samsung Galaxy A71, originally released as the A716U 5G variant, is a feature-packed mid-range smartphone that offers a compelling mix of performance, display quality, and camera capabilities. This device is designed to cater to users who want a powerful yet affordable smartphone with an emphasis on photography and an immersive screen experience. Key features: 6.7 AMOLED screen. The Samsung Galaxy A71 boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED display, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. This large screen is well suited for content consumption, gaming, and browsing. Camera system. The camera setup on the A71 is a highlight. It features a quad camera arrangement, including a 64MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5MP macro lens, and a 32MP front-facing camera. This configuration ensures versatile photography options from wide scenic shots, which offers smooth performance for everyday tasks in most mobile games. With 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it provides ample space for apps, media, and files. 5G connectivity. The inclusion of 5G connectivity in the A71 A716U variant means faster download and streaming speeds, making it future.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.